everybody, and welcome to Once Upon a Scarf. This channel celebrates all that is wonderful about vintage scarves, who designed them, what inspired them, and how to wear them. Today's video is exactly about that. 3 different ways to wear a scarf on your head. There are actually many more different ways to wear a scarf on your head, but because of how my face is shaped, the 2 extra ones I'm showing you look bad. Very, very bad. I'll demonstrate them anyway because with your face, they might look wonderful. So, to follow the theme of the good and the bad, let's start with the ugly. Even a honking big Hermes cannot save this look, either on me or Her Late Majesty, who admittedly wore it for practical reasons. I have a high forehead, a long face, and my jawline isn't what it used to be. The way this scarf drapes accentuates those flaws. But if you have a heart-shaped face, this style might actually work really nicely for you. So try it just to see. Now, onto the merely bad. This is sad because I love this scarf look where the tails of the triangle get twisted in front and then tied around the back of the neck, like this. This look calls to mind mid-century dames sneaking around in trench coats trying to look mysterioso, or mid-century dames cruising in a convertible with some dude driving way too fast cliffside on the French Riviera. If this work looks for you, congratulations. You're channeling a truly iconic headscarf style. Now, on to the better. First, get a great big square scarf, 80-90 centimeters in width, because that extra fabric is really going to work for you. Fold into a triangle and arrange low on your forehead so that it sits somewhat like this, and then knot the 2 side points over the point in back. With this style, I love a scarf that has a cool central motif, like this one does, or sharp diagonal lines, which will form cool bands around your forehead. A variation on this look is to hold your scarf square by the top corners, lay down across the forehead, and tie the 2 points over the fabric hanging down back. Sling all the ends over your shoulder for a dramatic quasi-extension in colorful silk. The 3rd variation is to fold your scarf into a strip, starting at opposite corners and folding inwards so it achieves maximum length. This style is the one that sits most neatly on your head, and again you get these very groovy tail feathers to style up the area around your face. Obviously, these styles are great for bad hair days, but for me, they're a little bit dramatic for every day. But there is another situation when I think they're just perfect. When you're off on holiday, or if that's not within reach, just swanning around in a place where nobody knows you. And of course, there is one more accessory that is mandatory in that situation. A great pair of sunglasses pushes this look from good to fantastic, especially if you're having a bad eye day. The point? Just try it. Get those great old scarves working for you again. Somewhere up there, the scarf divas will approve. And that's today's scarf story. I hope you enjoyed it. Please press the usual buttons to see more.